Welcome RC fans. Here we are on a beautiful sunny day in Colorado. We're setting up a river crossing for the Twin Hammer rock crawler. That was a nice toss. It might be that angle of that rock, these rocks probably have to be adjusted.
Yeah.
All right, get a couple more big rocks from in and around. Nice. Can both of you together beast that flat rock? Probably fit right well in there.
Where are you gonna cross at?
You have to come over this way and go get that big flat rock yonder. Both of you. Can you pick
I think
up?
we're across this, right?
Nice. Well, just make your own. Yeah, make your own. Sure, that's gonna be a tough section. Build that up a little bit there too. Coming along really nice. Really nice. Yeah, get that nub in there. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. That's doable. That's real nice. All right, let's get a trial run in, guys. Let's just see what kind of action we're getting out of it. We're down here in the creek beds of Green Valley Ranch, Colorado. Slightly breezy, and boy, is it sure warm out. Twin Hammer, creek crossing, first try. Yeah, you're definitely gonna have to come. You're gonna have to come this way, up and over. This is gonna be tough. You might high center yourself here. I think that rock has to be adjusted here. Okay. Okay, Scott, let's get a fix going on in here. Try to start over. Get this area here flat.
Hold on. Jeez.
You're stuck in there. This was dangerous.
We want to go more center. So if we can go
Yeah.
more center, we're gonna go more like this run. Right? Get like this. That's a good flat
You
rock.
want to go this way, maybe?
Yeah, I was thinking that. Let me try that real quick.
Get that rock right here, Scotty, too. This rock right here is a flat one. Dig that in there.
Yeah, you can kind of just go right there.
Uh-oh.
You gotta stay on that
On the
red
pink,
rock.
yeah, you gotta stay on the red.
Oh, okay. Got to put a rock there.
Yep, where he's sinking, right where that hole is. Remove the rock from underneath it. There's a rock getting caught up underneath it.
That's pretty good though, like that, isn't it? Oh no, put your hand there.
You still come around on it though. That's the way you wanted to go, huh?
I didn't know which way to go. I guess I should have gone left.
Yeah, I think I would have gone up on that. Yeah, up on that rock. Okay, nice. So he's gonna give it one more college try before we start going at it.
Crawler master should probably do it.
Oh boy, crawler master.
Whoa.
On the creek. Here we go.
Okay.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Nice. Fun.